Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you my co-wash routine. I do this about twice a week, depending on, how much time I have. So I just get in the shower and I saturate my whole head with warm water. And I really get in there and kind of give my scalp a little scrub to help lift the buildup and everything. Once my hair is all super saturated with the warm water, I go in with my Aussie Miracle Curls co-wash. This stuff is amazing. Girl, listen, okay? This is amazing. I use the same thing in my son's little wash day tutorial, which I will link down below for you. But I go ahead and focus it a lot on my roots, and then I work it out throughout the length of my hair. Once it's all in there and I feel like, I pretty much covered my whole head, I really work it into my scalp and I go ahead with my white tooth comb. Don't go on with no little skinny comb, okay? We're going to be bald headed. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? Separate your hair into two and start detangling from tips to roots. Once your hair is detangled, just go ahead and rinse that co-wash out. This part feels so good. Just like, all your worries are rinsing down the drain. Rinse it all out. Once it's all rinsed out of your hair, I actually go in with another conditioner. I actually like this one. This is my first time using it, but it was really nice. It gave me a lot of slip, made my hair soft, and it smells good. So I use it a whole bunch on my roots, and of course I focus on my edges because, baby, let me tell you, I be doing the most with these edges. They be doing little belly rolls and hip rolls and dances and stuff. So you got to treat them right. Then I separate my hair into two and put one side up. And I go in with my extra virgin olive oil right over the conditioner. Do not rinse the conditioner out. I rub that right on top of my hair with the conditioner in it. And then I start flat twisting it. This is going to kind of be like my hairstyle for a couple days as my hair dries. So I twist it all the way down until I get to the ends. And I do like a little, swoop thingy to keep the curl. And then I do the other side. Conditioner, olive oil, flat twist. Don't rinse it out, boo. Don't do it. Once my hair is all twisted, you will see how much shed hair I had, and this is what I'm looking like. So from this point, I take a couple bobby pins, and I twist my twist in the same direction as the twist is going, so it'll be nice and tight, and I bobby pin it to the other side. Then I do the same thing with the other twist, and then I just stick their two little tail pieces under, and boom, you have a cute little halo twist while your hair dries. Now, girl, let me tell you, this is magic. On your wet hair, put your scarf on. Over your scarf, put some type of towel, or you can use this turby twist thing that I got, or a t-shirt, whatever you usually use to dry your hair. Put that over your scarf and just let it sit. Go ahead and, do your little thing, get dressed, get ready for the day. The towel is going to soak up the moisture out of your hair, so it's not like, super sopping wet or anything. But this scarf, listen, this scarf is doing some magic, okay? This scarf is about to give us waves. This is what we need, okay? So once I'm done getting dressed, I go ahead and take my little turby twist off, and I take my scarf off, and look at this, okay? 360s. Your husband ain't even got waves like this. Then I do my edges, of course, with my little Eco Styler gel and my hair toothbrush. Fleek them little edges a little bit. Put some little hair jewelry in, and boom, this is what I'm looking like. And I pretty much just wear this until it's dry and I could do something else, or, for the whole week. Thanks for watching.